Hello everyone, मी प्राध्यापक एन मोरे. Welcome to my video. In the previous video, we seen about the process of oogenesis and structure of secondary oocyte. Now, in this video, I will going to explain the process of human fertilization and their significance. First of all, we see the process of human fertilization. We know that sexual reproduction primarily involves the formation and fusion of gametes. Fertilization is the latter process. Fertilization is the process in which fusion of male and female gametes to form diploid zygote. In human being, fertilization is internal and it usually takes place in the ampulla fallopian tube of female. Zygote develops into embryo and this process occurs in the uterus. The mechanism or process of fertilization involves ejaculation of semen, movement of sperms towards the egg, release of secondary oocyte, entry of sperm into egg, and fusion of male and female pronuclea. First of all, we see about ejaculation of semen. Ejaculation means discharge of semen in the vagina of female. It contains sperms along with secretion of accessory glands. Semen is in coagulated form and now undergoes liquefaction and sperm become active. Then movement of sperm towards the egg. It involves capacitation of sperm and it takes place in the vagina of female and it requires 6 to 7 hours. 50% sperm die in the vagina of female due to its acidic medium and remaining sperm undergoes capacitation. During capacitation, acrosomal membrane become thin and calcium ion enters the sperm. As a result, their tail showing whiplash movement. Prostaglandin stimulate the sperm, activate the sperm. Vestibular secretion of female enhance the mobility of sperm and sperm becomes more active after capacitation and begin to start moving upward from vagina to uterus and uterus to fallopian tube. Sperm swim at the rate of 1.5 to 3 mm per minute and it reach up to ampulla by its own swimming and partly by reverse peristaltic movement of vagina, contraction of uterus and stimulation of fallopian tube by oxytocin secreted by female and sperm reach to the egg within 5 minutes after capacitation. Sperm remains viable for 24 to 48 hours. Then release of secondary oocyte. Secondary oocyte is released from mature Präplian follicle during ovulation and is received by fallopian tube and start their journey towards the ampulla. It gets fertilized within 6 hours of ovulation. Then entry of sperm into egg. Out of 200 to 400 million sperms, only few hundred sperm reach towards the egg. Of these, only one sperm fertilizes the ovum. When sperm reach towards the egg, it lies opposite to the ovum. Their acrosome secrete hyaluronidase and corona trinitating enzymes. These enzymes separate and dissolve the corona radiata cell and as a result sperm touches the zona pellucida. When sperm touches the zona pellucida secrete a glycoprotein molecule called fertilizing and surface of sperm head secrete anti-fertilizing. Fertilizing-anti-fertilizing reaction brings the attraction of sperm towards the egg. Then acrosome secrete lytic enzyme known as zona lysine, and zona lysine digests the zona pellucida at the point of contact of sperm, and as a result nucleus of sperm and centriole enters into the egg. Now the sperm nucleus is called male pronucleus. Remaining part of sperm left behind, it includes middle piece and tail. When sperm touches the fertilizing membrane, it undergoes physiochemical changes and gets converted into fertilization membrane. This fertilization membrane prevents the entry of other sperm and avoid polyspermy. It also stimulates the secondary oocyte to complete the meiosis second, and second polar body released and secondary oocyte become mature functional female gametes. Then fusion of male and female pronuclea covering around the male and female pronuclea disappear, and mixing of chromosomes of male and female pronuclea takes place. That is, genetic information of two parents is mixed and it is called syngamy or karyogamy. Now ovum is diploid, termed as zygote, and zygote is the first cell of new life. Okay. Then we see the significance of fertilization. Fertilization completes the process of oogenesis and secondary oocyte become mature functional female gamete. It restores the diploid chromosomal number in zygote by the fusion of two haploid gametes. It introduces centrioles which is missing in the ovum, and it combines the characters of two parents, and which leads to variation, and variation leads to evolution. It determines the sex of young one or offspring. Okay. So in this video we seen about the process of human fertilization and their significance. Okay.